On a BMW, there's always some subtle changes that you can make that don't cost a lot at all. On the changes that I'm about to show you, I think I must have spent about £20 maximum, all ordered off eBay. Um, Takes about 15-20 minutes to fit them all, but I'll show you what they are now. Let's go. So I'll start from behind. These ones I have to show you in the dark, but I'll start from behind. Number plate lights, the LEDs. They're not that bright in person, but I just think they look a lot better, a lot more modern as well. These on the floor. So obviously you can have different ones. You can have a BMW sign, you can have the M badge, you can have M Performance, M3, M5. I went for this because it's a little bit different. Most people have BMW badge. I want it to be a bit different. And the other thing is the LED interior lighting. So them lights, obviously, the ones in the footwells as well, all changed to LEDs. So it is a lot brighter. So if I close the doors, you'll see how much brighter they are than the normal yellow ones. It's great, I love it. So they're just some small subtle changes you can make to a BMW just to make it look more modern and have a better feel to it. See the man who won't stay.